Frankly speaking, guys, I have to leave this place as soon as possible because this place, this Guangzhou high-end show, this is a bad place for DIYers like me. I say it again, this place is a bad place for DIYers like me because it will going to influence you to leave the DIY world and just goes into those kinds of high-end, expensive, real good form factors, power amplifiers, players like MQA CD players, and also speaker systems with nice form factors, nice finishing, and so on and so forth. So I don't want to do that because I really don't have money to buy those expensive stuff. That comes with a cheap one. The answer that you want me to. So the best course of action for me right now is to go away, leave this place, book my ticket back to Shenzhen, and let me just have a kind of fun in Shenzhen, and let me forget about all of this high-end audio equipment, high-end audio stuff here at the Guangzhou high-end show. That's what I'm going to do. I don't want my DIYer's mind to be influences. Let me say that again. I had a mindset to go through the DIYers and keep being a DIYers. I don't want to go with the high-end stuff, with those so-called critical listening level. I want a listening pleasure level. That's what I can afford. Critical listening equipment is the bottleneck. So I'm going back to Shenzhen. Let's go back to Shenzhen, guys. Guys, leave this place. Let's go back to Shenzhen.